friends, welcome back to another video. As you can see, it is rainy and the Jimny is dirty, but we have a new part to install on the Jimny today. So I picked up this glass pack cherry bomb exhaust that we're going to be installing today. So let's unbox it and let me show you how I'm going to install it. Alright, so this is the cherry bomb glass pack resonator. I picked this up on eBay for about 30 US. Full disclaimer, I have no idea how this sounds. I just hope it's not too loud because this is a daily driver and I spend about 3 hours in traffic and on the highways every single day. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna install it in such a way that it is reversible, because if it's too loud, I will put on back the stock one. Alright, so hopefully it's just a little rumble and it's not too loud. Alright, so how I plan to install this is we have the stock setup here where we have the muffler and we have a flange and it's coming out the back right here. I plan to weld on a flange here and weld a curved piece of pipe in here, so we can always unbolt the stock one and bolt up this one and vice versa for whichever one we want. Right, so that's the plan. Also, this is really heavy. This is about 6 or 7 pounds, so we're gonna have to weld on a hang on this as well. So yeah, I'll go into the muffler shop now. We're gonna prep this and then I'll check in with you guys. Alright, so this is what the finished product looks like. We have the resonator here painted in black. We attach the 90 degrees pipe to one end and we have the flange to the next, and we also attach 2 hangers to it. So next step is to install it in the Jimny. Alright, so we just put the Jimny on 2 little ramps there just so we could get a little more room to work underneath here. Alright, so if you're looking for an easy way to remove these hangers, just spray some WD-40 on the end right there. Take a multi-grip and just squeeze it like that and give a little twist on the outside. Alright, so we just finished remove the stock muffler there, and that's the aftermarket cherry bomb one. So you can see it's identical in terms of the lineup and the mount up. We have the flange on this side, we have the hangers, and we have the bend on this side. So next up, we're gonna install the cherry bomb onto the Jimny. But before we do that, let's get a sound check without a muffler. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I am really happy with how it turned out. It is not too loud and annoying, and it's not too soft either. It just has that nice bass to give you that rumble. I should mention that before I purchased this exhaust, I didn't do any research, but afterwards I did, and I found that these glass pack exhausts are filled with fiberglass that gives the resonating sound. Now after some time, after you keep using these exhausts, the fiberglass tends to wear down, which means it gets louder and louder over time. Now I found some sources that says these exhausts last up to 5 to 6 months, and other sources that says these last 5 to 7 years. Thankfully, I did mine in a reversible process, so if over time this gets too loud, I can always put on back my stock exhaust. So I'll keep you guys updated on if it's getting louder and how long it takes. For now, we'll just enjoy it. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, leave some good vibes in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.